Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, the good students? I hope all of you is fine. Okay, as usually, before we start study, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Okay, now I will remember the last subject. The last subject we already studied about suggesting and offering. How to express it, and we identify what is suggestion, and how to express and how to respond it to answer suggestion. And then the second, we studied about the definition about offer and how to express the offering, and then how to respond it. And after that, you do the part C, the exercise part C, A, B, C. Nah, yang belum masih tunggu ya. Yang sudah mengumpulkan tetapi masih belum dinilai, tunggu saja. Nanti secara bertahap nilai. Okay. Now, we continue the exercise part D. Nah, look at in part D. This is, you must complete the transactional conversation based on the suggestion and offers given below. The first is done for you. Look at the example number 1. The place is at the airport, and the situation, this is a conversation between an airline counter attendant and a customer. Nah, jadi place di airport, conversationnya between the airline counter and the customernya, like this. Good morning, can I have your ticket please? Do you have any luggage? Yes, one suitcase. Place it here. Would you like a window or an aisle seat? Okay, sure. Is there anything I can ask for you? You're welcome. Here is your boarding pass. Please be at the gate B 30 minutes before boarding. Have a nice flight. Nah, ini contohnya. Nanti di sini ada number 2, number 3, and number 4. Ya, there are 3 numbers. Number 2, the place it at the hotel, and this is conversation between a concierge at the hotel and a customer. Nah, nanti di sini ada conversation dan kamu tinggal melengkapi, complete aja. Kira-kira apa ya? Seperti itu. Kita bisa lihat from the begin, this is suggestion or offering. Nah, lihat di sini, look at number 2 ya, maaf. Number 2, good evening, can I help you? Good evening, yes please, I would like a room for the night. Nah, berarti dia mau, ini offering atau suggestion. Nah, pertama kamu harus definition dulu nih, ini this is offering or suggestion. Nah, kalau misalkan nomor 2, kita bisa lihat kalau di sini apa? Yes, di sini ada can I help you, berarti dia offering ya. Berarti untuk number 2 yang at the hotel, berarti dia dialognya this is about offering. Terus look at number 3. Nah, lihat di sini number 3. In number 3, what movie should we watch? This is conversation between two friends. Nah, lihat di sini. Look at the begin. Read the begins dialogue. Let's watch a movie. What kind of movie? Romantic movie? I don't like romantic movies. Let's watch something else. Nah, coba di sini. From the beginning of the dialogue, we can conclude this is a suggestion or offering. Yes, that's good. This is suggestions. Ya, karena di situ sudah ada from the title, what movie should we watch, itu contoh untuk memintakan suggestions ya. And then the last is at the store. This conversation is between the store attendant and a customer. Hi, how can I help you? Nah, look at this. In the beginning of the dialogue, we can see how can I help you. So, ini sudah pasti offering. Jadi, from number 3, maaf, number 2 tadi offering, number 3 this is suggestion, and number 4 this is offering lagi ya. Nah, dari 3 dialog ini nanti kamu tulis write on your English book, and then you can send to Google Classroom ya, to Google Classroom. This is the first exercise ya, the first task. Nanti saya akan periksa ya. Lalu the next, nanti ada satu lagi project. Sebentar, saya akan ganti slide dulu. Oke, this is the next project ya, the second project. Let's create or contribute. So this is part F. There are 4 situations. Nah, you just choose one of the following activity for your project. Ya, just choose one ya from 4 situation. Nah, how? Nah, look at the first situation. With a partner, kalau di sini with a partner, tapi kamu you can do by yourself ya, karena mungkin kalau dengan partner agak susah ya. Jadi you do it by yourself. Jadi number 1 itu you make an ideas and suggestion to improve the English improvement in your school. Make a poster and put your ID and suggestion on the poster and share them with your teacher. Jadi the first is you must suggestion poster. Okay, let's continue. So number 1, you can make a poster consists of a suggestion to improve the English environment in your school. Nah, after you make a poster, look at the example. The example poster ada di situ, the figure 1.1 ya. This is poster. And number 2, nah di sini sama, cuman di sini kamu tentang offering. Kalau tadi suggestion yang number 1, kalau yang number 2 itu offering. Make a poster juga, tapi dia offering ya. Beda ya, soal kasih suggestion sama offering. Kalau satu itu suggestion, number 2 itu offering. Tapi intinya juga adalah bikin poster. Intinya sama, improve the English environment school. Nah, number 3, kalau number 3 itu dialog. Nah, dialognya you can using suggestion or offer, apa aja. Any topic, terserah, topik apa saja. Nah, kalau number 3, you must make a dialogue, karena this is dialogue berarti must in video ya, bukan picture. Number 1, number 2 you can share in the picture karena this is a poster. Nah, number 4 tadi must, because this is dialogue, so you can make a video suggestion, a dialogue about suggestion and offer. Jadi in the video, tahu number 1, number 2, this is in the picture ya, because this is poster. Number 4, nah untuk number 4 nih, di situ assume you and your friend win an all expense paid trip to the fisherman's village. Design a postcard about the location to send your friend in other classes. Jadi this is for example of postcard. This is postcardnya ya. Jadi ceritanya kamu menang nih expense trip to the fisherman village, ke village ya. Terus for creating the postcard, consider the following aspect. Nah, aspeknya lihat di sini untuk creatingnya, membuatnya bagaimana. You can consider the fact that there is an enchanted fish in the water. Jadi ada ikan yang enchanted yang di waters. Nah, terus yang kedua di gambar itu, kalau postcard biasanya apa ya? sekarang tuh bilangnya kartu pos. Kalau sekarang udah nggak ada ya. Kalau dulu ada zamannya kartu pos. Jadi kalau kartu pos itu di depannya itu di salah satu sisinya adalah gambar yang menjelaskan kalau dia tuh ada di sana, misalkan Bali, ya ada gambar Bali, ada gambar Pantai Kuta, ada gambar pura seperti itu. Nah kalau sekarang udah nggak ada ya postcard ya. Jadi ini contohnya kamu bisa bikin postcard. Jadi isinya gambar juga untuk mengajak seperti itu. Untuk ngajak teman kamu supaya berkunjung ke Fisherman Village itu. Nah terus yang kedua, you can consider suggesting them visit the place. Nah, bisa kasih kata-kata suggestingnya supaya bisa mengunjungi place-nya, Fisherman Village-nya. Terus, you can offer them incentive if they visit the place. Insentif apa sih yang bisa kamu lihat di sana? Apa sih keuntungannya yang bisa kita lihat seperti itu? Oke, projectnya kamu sudah mengerti ya. Jadi saya ulang lagi, kalau yang tadi, yang part D, itu kamu harus buat dialog semuanya. Ditulis saja, just write on your exercise book, and then there are three situation, semuanya dikerjakan untuk yang part D. Nah, untuk yang part F, you just choose one. Jadi hanya pilih salah satu. Untuk number one and number two, ya situation one and situation two. This is you must make a poster. Differentnya kalau yang number one, suggestion poster. Ya, number two, offering poster. Ya, topiknya improve the English environment in your school. Nah, kalau yang number three, you must create a dialogue using suggestion and offer. Nah, kalau nomor 3 itu harus dalam bentuk video, jadi harus 2 orang, nggak bisa sendiri. Atau kamu bisa berbicara dengan adik kamu atau ayah kamu atau ibu kamu sebagai lawan bicara dan nanti kalian rekam dan kalian kirim. Oke, untuk number 3 itu dia video. Yang number 4 itu postcard, ya, postcard. Jadi terserah kamu mau pilih yang make a poster, video, atau kamu mau bikin postcard. Oke, tugasnya dikirimkan submit before Sunday ya, sebelum hari Minggu. Jadi hari Minggu biar tinggal saya periksa saja. Oke, terima kasih ya. Kalau misalkan ada yang kurang jelas, you can send me WhatsApp. Ada di grup ya, di grup kalian masing-masing. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.